Uganda wants to curb its borrowing and boost exports in sectors such as meat and dairy as the country lifts restrictions triggered by the coronavirus pandemic. President Yoweri Museveni says he wants to expand the country's meat, leather and dairy trade and add value to other agricultural exports such as coffee, which has long been one of Uganda's main foreign exchange earners. Here now are the details of this and other stories making headlines in Africa.
Uganda produced nearly 700 million liters of milk, and there are just two major dairy companies. Now, thanks to improved feed, training and investment in 14 private dairy companies, Uganda produced 2.81 billion liters last year. Of this, Uganda consumes about 800 million liters and is looking for markets for the excess. Uganda has recently begun exporting meat to Democratic Republic of Congo, and China, and wants to partner with the European Union, Britain or other potential importers to ensure import quality standards could be met. Museveni reiterated that he would like rich creditors to cancel debts from African nations recovering from the economic fallout of the pandemic. Meanwhile, Nigeria's headline inflation rose to 15.63% in December 2021 from 15.4% recorded in November 2021. The National Bureau of Statistics has announced, marking its first increase after 8 consecutive months of decline. A major driver in security reforms, monetary and exchange rate issues contributed to the rise in the rate of inflation. Further, economists note that historically, the year-on-year December figure is always higher because consumption around the festivities is often on the high side. The World Bank has already warned that Nigeria would have one of the highest inflation rates globally in 2022. Finally, Angola will gradually eliminate import duties for products originating from member states of the African Continental Free Trade Area. The measure is based on the memorandum of the proposed tariff offer of Angola under the framework of the AfCFTA. In November 2020, Angola became the 30th country to ratify the agreement to establish the AfCFTA. The country's Economic Commission of the Council of Ministers approved the country's annual indebtedness plan for 2022, which is valued at $13 million to